Do you get nervous before presentations? We all do sometimes, right? I've done hundreds of presentations and workshops in the last year, and every once in a while, the nerves just get me for no reason. The other day, I was doing a big keynote, and I woke up that morning, and I was so nervous. I just breath was up here. I felt like I was gonna puke the whole morning. I was like, oh, I couldn't eat. I couldn't get my stuff together that I needed. I was just a mess. And it was a surprise. It just hit me out of nowhere. And I felt like I'd been rehearsing. I knew the content. But we get nervous, right? It's human. And it comes from fear of failing, really. Just like, oh, I'm going to bomb. It's going to be terrible. I'm not going to do a good job. And oftentimes when we want to do really good, it actually prevents us from having access to our best self and our creativity and our boldness. And this is the thing. Failure is going to happen in the presentation. Something will go wrong. And it'll be something either only you know about, like maybe you forgot a few words or a section, who knows, or maybe there's going to be a tech failure. This is very common. This is happening every time. Or something. And those are the wonderful moments for you to fail gloriously. Not let those failures get you down, but love them, celebrate them. So in this talk where I felt so nervous, there was actually lots of failures started happening right away. And all of a sudden, it just freed me up and relaxed me. It's such a relief once the first thing goes wrong. Is to be like, woo, yes, love it, bring it in, make it awesome. And then all of a sudden, everyone's gonna fall in love with you, right? The CNN reporter whose kid came in the background, right? We've seen that video, or the cat video on Zoom. These things happen, these things go wrong. And if we totally freak out, then that can be an inglorious failure. But sometimes just love it. Love the failure, bring it in. We're human. And all of a sudden, everyone's going to get on your side. I'm going to root for you. And you're going to feel much more relaxed. And this stress and nerves will go down. And you'll have access to your awesomeness. So fail gloriously. And let me know, what do you do to get rid of nerves? Or what is your solution? Put something in the comments.